It's time for the compressors battle. I've picked my most used plugins and they are going head to head until we have just one compressor standing. This is a fun video, it's just my opinion, take it with a grain of salt. It's about workflow and what I prefer. We have an interesting first battle between BX Glue and FabFilter Pro-C 2. BX Glue was my main compressor if I was working in the box. I used this on my Mixbus, but Pro-C 2 was my go-to clean EQ on individual tracks. A tough one. I have to go with Pro-C 2. The second battle is between the compressor from Neutron 5 and the glue from Cytonic. The glue is probably the best SSL type compressor, my go-to when I need that sort of compression. The versatility goes to Neutron 5. I think I have to go with Neutron 5 here just because it's an all-rounder. So Neutron 5 goes to the next round. Pro-MB versus Kotelnikov from Tokyo Dawn Labs. Pro-MB is the only multiband compressor from the list. This is what I use when it comes to multiband. Kotelnikov is an amazing, really complex but easy to use mastering and clean compressor. I have to go with Pro-MB here because Kotelnikov is not my main mastering compressor. I have a different one. So Pro-MB goes into the next round. The last battle is between Invigorate and Unisum. This is the mastering compressor that I use all the time. Invigorate is an amazing plugin. It's a different approach on compression. I like it a lot, but Unisum, like I've said, is my go-to for mastering. So Unisum to the next round. It's time for the semi-finals. First semi-final, Neutron 5 versus Pro-C 2. I think we are in a similar realm with Pro-C 2 and Neutron 5. Both are really versatile, clean, with a lot of control, but from the two I prefer Pro-C 2. So Pro-C 2 moves to the final. The second semi-final, Unisum versus Pro-MB. Pro-C is a problem fixer for me, an utilitarian plugin. Unisum, a beautiful sounding compressor that's versatile. I will go with Unisum. The big final is between Pro-C2 and Unisum. This one is tough because both plugins have their place. Pro-C2 is more of a mixing compressor. I use it all the time, like I've said, in controlling the dynamics on individual tracks. Unisum is more a bass compressor, but has the versatility to go on individual tracks also. Mastering versus mixing. This is how I feel this battle. Pro-C2 has a bigger impact on my workflow and on my sound, so Pro-C2 is the winner. I wasn't expecting Pro-C2 to be the winner of the compressor battle, but this shows me one thing. Plugins that are not flashy have a special place in my workflow. Do you agree with my picks or do you have other preferences? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want more in-depth videos, join me on Patreon. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon.